This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the door and exposing the hydraulic unit. Do this now to avoid dropping the frame. First, prop the door open and set a block under it for support so you can work safely. Next, remove the lower stop and any retaining screws with an 8mm wrench. Keep parts organized. Once done, wipe the area with a rag and inspect the cylinder pins and brackets for corrosion so you know whether to replace pins or the entire hydraulic unit. Now remove the old hydraulic cylinder carefully while paying attention to hose orientation and fluid. First, release the retaining pins or unthread the hose, then remove mounting bolts and gently slide the unit out. Expect a small amount of fluid, so have a rag ready. Compare the new cylinder to the old one to confirm stroke length and port placement, then position it correctly and thread the bolts in hand tight. Once aligned, tighten to snug and reconnect the hose. Finish by removing trapped air and tuning the closing action so the door operates smoothly. Begin by cycling the door slowly 10 to 15 times to bleed air. This helps restore consistent hydraulic damping. Then adjust the manufacturer's speed screw in small increments while testing until the door closes at the desired rate. Finally, inspect all fasteners for tightness and check for leaks under pressure. If the door binds or leaks persist, tighten fittings or replace seals as the key troubleshooting step to prevent repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.